I have not picked up the vlogging camera in a few days. I feel a little strange, but I don't know. Today I feel refreshed. Like I'm ready to start vlogging again and start working and filming again because I haven't been, I took a little break from YouTube. Literally, it's just been a few days, but I really needed those few days. I thought I was gonna take a full week, but I don't know. I'm kind of starting to feel already like refreshed from those few days. I mean, I'm not uploading just yet, so maybe by the time you guys see this video, it will have been a week, but it feels good to pick up my camera. Like, I feel good again, and I've just been under so much stress trying to launch Sunday Energy. We're now officially just days away. The launch is on Wednesday, today is Saturday, and I just can't wait. I'm forgetting where everything is. I haven't done my makeup in what feels like a week. It's been a little under a week, but it feels like it's been a week since I've done my makeup. Tonight we're actually heading to Jersey. This is the first time Chris and I are heading there together, which is so nice because it's such a pain and I don't have to drive this time. Haha. We're gonna go to a concert tomorrow. It's tomorrow night, but we want to head out tonight just so that we can have the full day there tomorrow and the full day there Monday, and we'll be back here on Tuesday. Right in time for lunch. I haven't done my makeup in so long that I don't remember what the steps are that I take. Hi. All right, I actually just did my makeup off camera. It's so hard for me to talk and do my makeup at the same time, like if I'm vlogging. Show you guys my makeup. I wanted to add a little pop of color, but I was like, let me not do too much because I don't even think anyone's gonna see me today because we're leaving tonight. And I have a feeling we're not even gonna see anyone. I'm probably gonna go home and wash, like get to my parents' house and wash this makeup off. So I just kept it pretty neutral, but I still wanted to just get ready and do my makeup because I haven't done that in a very, very long time. These little barrettes, by the way, aren't they so cute? They're like covered in rhinestones. I got them from Ulta and they're from the brand called Kitsch. I think I already shared it on my Instagram, but just in case you guys missed it, yeah, that's where I got it from. And I kind of want to go to Ulta again and pick up one more pack because it only brings 2 and I kind of want to wear like 4 right now. I think it looks so cute. I'm gonna pack up my bag right now. Well, my little travel suitcase. We're only going, like I said, for 2 full days, so I'm gonna pack light, but I feel like it's just easier to pack everything in like my little suitcase. I just always throw everything in here. Chris just got home and he brought us food. Oh my god, I want one of these. Oh shit.
These are tostones.
Okay.
So no. Plantain.
Yeah, we'll turn off for a second. We're on our way to Jersey right now.
What up though?
I'm already tired. I never do the drive at night. That's why Chris is driving. Yeah, I like to get up early and do the ride. Not the ride, the drive. I like to get up early and drive because at night I get tired and sleepy. Exit left. I started to vlog when we were...
What up though?
I always have to pause when you're driving also. Like, I need to pay attention.
Well, when I say my greeting, you have to pause.
I'm not talking about your greeting.
You're not talking about my greeting.
We went to Jersey. We came back. Sorry, I didn't vlog while I was over there. I was still on my break. But now I feel 100% ready to come back. Like, I'm back to vlogging every day. We're on our way to Target, though.
You gotta pick up some stuff.
I gotta pick some stuff up. I'm not doing like food groceries today because I don't know what I want to eat for the week. So I'll probably do that tomorrow because I need to think on it. And I don't want to just grab anything. Our situation.
Wait a minute,
what?
We already have the bucket.
Oh my god, just buy another bucket.
Oh, look how much we're gonna save.
Okay, but do the math though.
That is 12 bucks. If we get 2 of these, it'll be 6 bucks.
But how many ounces?
This is supposed to fill up one of these.
I know, but this is 10 ounces, so that's 20, and then the bigger one brings 36. You're getting more in that instead of 20. 36 versus 20, unless you get 3, which is what 3 times 3 is 9, and that would be 30. It's literally almost the same price. It's like the same exact price, because if you want it, we did the math and the bucket was actually bigger. I mean, not bigger. The bucket was less expensive
You're crazy,
to
okay?
get.
Stop it.
I need help. I need to go back to school or something. But actually, I was the one that figured out the math. Thank you very much. I think Chris is gonna have a little individual pizza for dinner.
Damn, look at the thin crust. The thin crust looks good, yo.
Yeah, but the thin crust is probably gonna be like too small for you. Like, you get me?
You trying to say I'm a big boy?
Ay, Dio. Isn't it funny though, like, I don't know if you guys do this also, but when you go away and you come home and there's like no groceries, so you go to do groceries, but you're also too lazy to like go home and cook it, so you want to get something that you can just make easily. That's our situation right now. So we are 7 minutes away from launching Sunday Energy. I've been up all morning getting everything ready, getting myself ready so I don't look a hot mess, even though no one's really gonna see me, just online. I'm just saging my entire home because I just wanted to be clear of negativity, only good vibes, only good energy here. I gotta, you know what, I gotta cleanse. You guys want me to cleanse? Yeah, I'm gonna cleanse you guys. I'm saging, by the way. I am cleansing you guys. Let's cleanse you guys. There you go. You guys are all cleansed. My vlogging camera is cleansed. We're 3 minutes away now. I had to put you guys down so that I can like really focus and set my intentions for the home and the business. Ah! So excited. All right, oh my gosh. I'm nervous, you guys. Like, I literally, all I have to do is click a button, but I'm so nervous. I hope everyone just loves Sunday Energy as much as I am in love with it. Whew. I'm excited. I set an intention for your jewelry as well. If you are receiving a piece of jewelry from Sunday Energy, just know that it comes from so much love and so much positive energy just entering your home. I just really wanted to create something that had a purpose, that it wasn't just like a piece of jewelry to look cute, but that it also made you feel good. And I wanted to send intentions of love and positivity to every single one of you guys. We are live. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go on another browser. We're gonna go to shop Sunday Energy. Oh my gosh, we're live, you guys. We are live. Oh my god, I am so nervous. Okay, I have to go announce it. BRB. I want to give you guys a little update since launching. We actually launched 2 hours ago, and I've been nonstop on the computer, on my phone, responding to everyone, trying to get updates up. And of course, today we had technical difficulties, even on Instagram's part. So crazy, but for some reason, you were able to go on the website on your phones, but the cart option to check out wasn't coming up. Thank God my web designer, she got right on it and she fixed that ASAP. But unfortunately, some people weren't able to get their orders anyways because we literally sold out of the necklace, the earrings, the rings. We currently only have a few size 9 left. So that was just crazy. And then I was trying to post updates on Instagram stories and all of my stories kept failing, and I'm like, are you kidding me, Instagram? Are you kidding me? And everything else was working like perfectly fine. Like, I'm able to post on the feed, I was able to like see everyone's stuff, but for some reason stories wasn't working. And then right now I'm having the issue that confirmation emails are not going through, and everyone's freaking out, but I don't want anyone to freak out because literally all the orders went through, the confirmations are there. But for some reason, the website host, they're having an issue with confirmation emails. And what's crazy is that we tested everything yesterday. We even sent out test emails. Everything was going smoothly. And once we launched, literally no one was getting their confirmation emails. But I'm actually speaking to one of their representatives right now, getting that resolved. So I'm sure it's only going to be a few more minutes because I couldn't imagine that it can be a bigger issue. I've been sitting here for the past 2 hours just making sure everyone gets their emails, and then after that I'm going to start packing. I haven't even ate anything all day, so I should probably eat something also. But I'm really excited and I'm really grateful to all of you for your patience, first of all, and for your huge support of Sunday Energy and of myself. Like, it honestly, I did not think I was gonna sell out, and I'm so appreciative of you guys. And of course, I'm already working on a restock. As soon as I have a date, of course, I will post it. I'll share it on the blog. But most importantly, make sure you're following Sunday Energy on Instagram. It's @ShopSundayEnergy, because that's where I will be posting pretty much all updates and things that I don't even post on my personal page. It will be posted on the Sunday Energy website. I am taking a break from the computer. I spent the last 5-6 hours on the computer responding to everyone and getting technical issues resolved. Now both my hands are killing me. I have tendinitis and
Love you.
and then tonight Chris is gonna help me pack everything, pack orders. I rested my hands for a bit. I gotta lower this. I've been resting my hands. For some reason my left one, which is not even my prominent hand, hurts the absolute most. I don't know what's wrong with it, but whatever, that's fine. And you know what's so crazy? I gotta take my glasses off to the glare. You know what's so crazy? I feel like whenever it's like a really important day that you need like technology on your side, that's the day where it all fails. Because after I told you guys like, okay, I'm gonna take a break, like I had my wrist brace on, the internet went down. We checked and there's an outage in our area that they said might not be fixed until 10 p.m. tonight, which is crazy. I'm like, what are the chances that there's an outage? But you know what, I'm glad that it happened hours after launch, because if it would have happened during the launch, that would have been a big mess, because I wouldn't have been able to hop on emails and answer everyone. The internet is down and my lamp, the living room lamp, it's connected to my Alexa smart plug, which that's what we use to turn it on, and now we can't turn it on because Alexa keeps saying she can't. So
your internet seems to be down. I can still control smart home devices, tell you the time, and change the volume.
Okay, Alexa heard us. A literal angel. It's time to pack orders. Probably like what I've been looking forward to doing, because I just want to pack everyone's order up. All right, it is really late now. All of the orders are packed up, ready to be taken to the post office, and I am ready to be taken to bed. Good night.